Dive into English. Making connections. Asking about someone's background. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's episode of Dive into English. We are continuing our journey in the section Greetings and Introductions. Today's focus will be making connections, asking about someone's background. You'll learn how to ask someone about their background, which is a crucial part of making connections and beginning conversations. The first thing to understand is why we ask about someone's background. When we meet new people, it's natural to want to know more about them. Asking about their background helps us find common ground, start conversations, and build relationships. Remember, it's not about being nosy. It's about showing genuine interest in the other person. Now, let's look at some basic questions you can ask to learn about someone's background. These questions are simple, yet effective. Here are a few examples. 1. Where are you from? Or, where were you born? 2. What do you do? Or, what is your profession? 3. Where did you study? Or, what did you study in school? Keep in mind that it's important to listen carefully to the person's response, as it might lead to more conversation topics. Once you've covered the basics, you can start digging a bit deeper. Some people might feel comfortable sharing more about their personal life and experiences. Here are some questions that could help you get to know them better. 1. What was it like growing up in your hometown? 2. How did you get into your profession? 3. What do you like most about what you do? Remember to be respectful and considerate when asking these questions. You want the person to feel comfortable sharing their story with you. Another great way to connect with people is to ask about their interests. This can give you a lot of insight into their personality and life. Here are some examples. 1. What do you do in your free time? 2. Do you have any hobbies? 3. What kind of books, movies, music do you like? By asking about their interests, you're showing that you're interested in getting to know them as individuals. There you have it, learners. Asking about someone's background is an excellent way to make connections and start engaging conversations. It's all about showing genuine interest in the other person and being respectful. Remember to use the phrases and questions we've learned today in your next English conversation. Thank you for joining me in today's episode. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and expanding your English language skills.